Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Prompt Builder, a tool that claims to create, refine, and save AI prompts for ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and more in one place. So uh, the difference here between uh, Prompt Builder and the other tools, they claim that is to have appropriatedly prompts to different LLM models. So we have prompts for Claude, for Gemini, for ChatGPT, and I do appreciate it a lot. And the features here are pretty good because you will have all the features with tier one, so you can get it for $39 and have 500 prompt requests, and with that you have a lot for one tier. So I'm thinking to maybe downgrade my pre-prompt uh, tier 2 to tier 1 and get also the tier 1 of prompt builder, so I have two tools for prompts with tier 1 and nice features and nice uh, uh, number of requests per month. So you will be uh, sorted out with the tier one, and this is really nice. So let's take a look at the tool. Here you have prompt builder, and it's pretty easy to understand how it works. We have the generator to generate the prompt, the optimizer, the prompt tester, and your library. Okay. um, have also instruction here for instancing directives to the generator applies to your prompt. Um, so let's go to the generator, and here what's nice, you can select if you want to write, if you want to research, um, if it's standard, if for an image, if for a video. So just go here, let's say for research on Claude, I want to know more about um, human rights in Brazil. So I want to research about that. I'm gonna click on generate, and I'm gonna see the results. They're starting to round up, and the tool is creating the prompt. So I'm gonna get both tools, pre-prompt and prompt builder. I like both. Um, look at this. Uh, investigate the current state of human rights in Brazil. Focus on, so they give us uh, how to implement our prompt to make it better. Use only information you are confident and accurate. Do not fabricate source. Cite sourcing line, length, so you can select the length of and or change it. Pretty nice. That's one for clouds. And they will give context, versions, and you have all settings here to change. I'm gonna copy that prompt and go to the optimizer to see if it can optimize the existing prompt. Look, they give us the selections. So which kind of focus I want. So I want indigenous rights, what time range, last 2 years. Oh, focus only on Brazil, and they will optimize my prompt. Here it is, my prompt optimized. I like the result. I like the way it's writes, like the way it's structured. Here you can test your prompts. You can test it. So you can use Grok to test it, Gemini, GPT, GPT-OS, Ministral, and DeepSeek. So you can see what will be your result for that prompt, only to test it. So that's the tool. You have your library. You can save your prompts as well. Um, I think that the tool goes more in depth than the other ones, and also that the prompts are better structured. I liked it a lot, the feature to select the LLM model I want. And that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.